With which of the following departments within its own organization should purchasing work most closely when performing supplier capability evaluations and site visits? Option A. Quality control. Option B. Engineering. Option C. Manufacturing. Option D. Finance. The correct answer is option A. Which of the following should a buyer use when conducting price analysis? Choose all that apply. Option A. An analysis of competitive proposals. Option B. Comparisons with published prices. Option C. Comparisons with historical prices. Option D. Internal cost estimates. The correct answer is option A, B, C, D. When, if ever, does a purchaser have the right to resell non-conforming goods and deduct reasonable sales costs from proceeds? Choose all that apply. Which of the following is not a technique for increasing minority business participation? Option A. If the purchaser has paid for the goods and owns them. Option B. If the purchaser has rejected the goods, and the supplier has not responded in a reasonable time. Option C. If the purchaser has accepted the goods and then found them in non-conformance. Option D. Never. Option A. Negotiation. Option B. Expediting supplier payment. Option C. Establishing reasonable specifications. Option D. Cooperative purchasing. The correct answer is option D. Which of the following is the primary purpose of a trade association? Option A. To advance the cause of the profession. Option B. To continually search for best practices in the industry. Option C. To lobby for the interests of the industries represented. Option D. To provide educational and research benefits to members. The correct answer is option C.